Hello everyone, Namaste. I'm Vaikuntha Pandey. I'm here today to introduce you with the new topic demand forecasting. Demand forecasting refers to an estimate of the most likely future demand for product under given conditions. Forecasts are of immense use in making decisions with regard to production, sales, investment, expansion, employment of manpower, etc., both in the short run as well as in the long run. Demand forecasting is needed to know whether the demand is subject to cyclical fluctuation or not, so that the production and the inventory policy, etc., can be suitably formulated. Features of demand forecasting: it is an informal and well thought out guesswork. It is in terms of specific quantities. It is made for a specific period of time. It is based on historical information and the past data. Criteria for demand forecasting: there are certain criteria that must be met while forecasting demand. That must be accuracy. The feature of accuracy must be there. When we forecast the demand, that must be accurately forecasted. Otherwise, there is no benefit of forecasting demand. Plausibility, correct interpretation, correct justification must be there under the demand forecasting. Anybody can forecast randomly, haphazardly, that is of no use. So that must be logically forecasted. And that method must be very much simple. That is called simplicity. Okay, and durability. The relationship between the variables, different variables like income and expenditure of the public, that must be durable. Durable relationship must be there. Flexibility, and that the the feature of flexibility is also needed while forecasting demand. Okay, so if we forecast certain quantity to be demanded in the market, that can be made flexible according to the requirement. Availability of the data, appropriate data must be there. Otherwise, our forecasting will be of no use. That must be economy. Less expenses should be there that must incur while forecasting demand. And quickness. The forecasting must be made within very short span of time. Quickly it can be forecasted. Otherwise, it may be too late to comprehend the actual quantity that should be supplied in the market. Techniques of demand forecasting. Survey method. Number one is survey method. This method is useful in obtaining information about the future purchase plans of potential buyers through collecting the opinions of experts or by interviewing the consumers. That is a survey we make from the consumers or opinion collected from the expert. This method is extensively used in short run and estimating the demand for new product. There are different approaches under survey method: consumers interview method, collective opinion method, expert opinion method, in-use method. These are the various methods that we use while forecasting the demand under the survey method. Here, uh, consumers' income and their habit of purchasing goods, all these things will be uh, comprehended by the consumers interview method. And collective opinion method of the public, their opinion will be gathered to get the correct forecasting of the sales in the future. And expert opinion also will be collected in order to take a real basis of the forecasting. And in-use method, so input and output, you can say, the use of inventories and the output will be calculated to get the correct forecasting under this method. Statistical method. Under this method, statistical, mathematical models, equations, etc. are extensively used in order to estimate future demand for a particular product. They are used for estimating long-term demand. They are highly complex and complementary in nature. They use historical data in estimating future demand. The analysis of the past demand serves as the basis of present trend, and both of them become basis for calculating the future demand for a commodity in question. It is a table to make the clear concept about the demand forecasting. There are basically two methods: opinion poll method, statistical method. Under the opinion poll method, there are three segments: consumer survey method, sales force opinion method, expert opinion method. Under the consumer survey method, complete enumeration survey, sample survey and test marketing in use. Okay. And under the statistical method, trend project method, barometric method, regression method, simultaneous equation methods are used. And under the trend project method, fitting trend line by observation, least square uh, linear regression, time series analysis, moving average and annual difference, and exponential smoothing. These are the methods, and out of the trend project method, this least square method is used very much extensively in forecasting demand in future. Among the trend project method, least square linear regression method is more scientific, popular, and thus more commonly used method as compared to the rest of the methods. And this method means least square linear regression method. It uses the straight line equation. Our equation is y equal to a plus bx, which is the equation of the straight line, and that equation line will be fitted. Okay, the data will be fitted there. So this is the equation to fit the trend to the data. As the values of a and b are unknown. Here you can see a and b. These are the coefficient unknown values, and we can solve the following two normal equations simultaneously. We take the two equations to get the value of a and b. The equation is summation of y na plus b summation of xy. Next is summation of xy is equal to a summation of x plus b summation of x square. Here summation of y equal to total of the original value of cells y, n is number of years, summation of x total of derivation of the years taken from the central period, summation of xy total of the product of the years and cells y, and summation of x square is equal to total of square deviation of x values. Here is a table to make the things clear. These are the 5 years. You can see here 1990, 91, 92, 93, 94. These are the data which is fitted here, and now on the basis of this given data we forecast the sales in the coming years. Like we can see in 1990 sales y is equal to 30, 91, 40, 92, 35, 93, 50, 94, 45. When you add all this, it becomes summation of y 200, and the year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 n equal to 5. And deviation, our 1992 is the central value, assumed year we can say, and we subtract this 1992 from each year. Suppose 1990 minus 1992 is equal to minus 2 here. This is the x, minus 2. 1991 minus 1992, minus 1. 1992 minus 1992, 0. 1993 minus 1992, plus 1. 1994 minus 1992, plus 2. So here we add minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, and this plus 1, plus 2. So this minus 3 plus 3 becomes 0. So summation of x is equal to 0, and x square minus 2 square 4, minus 1 square 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4. Here summation of x square equal to 10. 4, 5, 6, and 4, 10. And summation of xy. This is x, this is x, and this is y. 30 into minus 2, minus 60. 40 into minus 1, minus 40. 35 into 0, 0. 50 into 1, plus 50. 45 into 2, plus 90. And now summation of xy, now we add, we get 40. And the computed value 32, 36, 40, 44, 48 is placed by calculating on the basis of the following equation. You can see. Now we have the given equation, summation of y equal to na plus some b summation of x. The value of summation of y is equal to 200. You can see from here. Summation of y equal to 200. n equal to 5. A is not given. B is not given. Summation of x equal to 0. this summation of x equal to 0. So now we say this total value becomes 0 and this 5a equal to 200, therefore a equal to 40. Now putting the value of a in equation 2, we have the equation 2, summation of xy equal to a summation of x plus b summation of x square. The value of summation of x is equal to 40. Summation of xy is equal to 40. And a is not given, summation of x is equal to 0. We put 0 here, same value 0. B is not given, summation of x square equal to 10. We can put from here, summation of x square equal to, we can see 10. Now when we put this value, summation of xy 40, this 0, this 10, now this entire value becomes 0 and b10 or we can say 10b equal to 40, therefore b equal to 4. Now we have got the value, now a equal to 40, b equal to 4. Now we put the value of a and b in every successive year to get the exact value. Our equation is y is equal to a plus bx. So a is equal to 40, b equal to 4. And x in 1990, value of x is equal to minus 2. In 1990, value of x is equal to minus 2. Here a is 40, b equal to 4, x is equal to minus 2. So 40 and this 8, 32. In 1991, same, a plus b and x value of x in 1991 is minus 1. So this 36. In 1992, value of x is 0. You can see in 1992, value of x is 0. So here 0, this 4 into 0, 0, now this 40. And 1993, value of x is equal to 1. You can see 1. 1993, value of x is 1. So 40 plus 4 into 1, 44. 1994, value of x is 2. 40 plus 4 into 2. You can see value of x, 94, value of x is 2. So 4 into 2, 8. 40 plus 8, 48. So this is the exact value. 1990, 32. 1991, 36. 1992, 40. 1993, 44. 1994, 48. This is the exact value that we have placed here. 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. And now forecasting on the basis of this. For the new next 2 years, the estimated sales would be in 1995, y is equal to 40 plus this 40 is a plus this 4 is b, a plus b x. The value of x would be 3 because our base year is 92. So 95 minus 92 is equal to 3. So 4 into 3, 12. So 40 plus 12 is equal to 52. And in 96, our base year is 92. So 96 minus 92 is 4. So 40 plus 4 into 4, this is 16. So 40 plus 16, 56. In this way, whatever the year we want to take forecast, we go on putting the value of x because we already have the value of a and b. Now we put the value of x and we get the exact estimation of the demand forecasting in the coming years. I think you understood the method of demand forecasting, very popular method of demand forecasting. If you understood clearly, you please share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a good day.